simple tutorial.
Good morning students. Welcome to SST So Simple Tutorial. This is Vijay Singh, your social science teacher for grade 10. This is a part of T20 series where you will practice 20 MCQs. Today's topic is Nationalism in India. I will be showing 20 MCQs to you one by one at an interval of 10 seconds. All you have to do is to take a pencil and paper like this. As you read the question, write the correct option in the paper immediately. At the end of question number 20, I will be back to give you the answers. Okay, so you start doing the questions now. Let us check the answers now. Which among the following was the prime factor in the emergence of modern nationalism in India? Anti-colonial movement. So option D is correct. Champaran Satyagrah was launched against the oppressive plantation system. So option C is correct. Which of the following is not true regarding Rowlatt Act 1919? The Act controlled the movement of plantation workers. This is not true. Rest all are true. So option D is correct. Why was the non-cooperation movement called off by Gandhiji due to Chauri Chaura incident? Easy question. So option B is correct. At which Congress sessions was the non-cooperation program adopted? Nagpur in 1920. So option D is correct. Which was the main cause for boycotting foreign goods during non-cooperation movement? A symbol of Western economic and cultural domination. So option A is correct. Swaraj for the plantation workers meant retaining link with the villages from which they had come. So option C is correct. Gandhiji in his work Hind Swaraj said that Indians must not cooperate with the British, so option B is correct. Which incident marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement? When Gandhiji violated the salt law, so option D is correct. Who among the following were associated with the Swaraj Party? C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, so option C is correct. Who among the following was called Frontier Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan, so option C is correct. The resolution of Purn Swaraj was adopted at which Congress session? Lahore session, so option C is correct. Why had Congress ignored the Dalits for long? Due to fear of offending the Sanatanis, so option D is correct. Which of the following is not true regarding Gandhi-Irving Pact? The British government agreed to grant independence. This is not true. Rest all are true, so option D is correct. Most businessmen of India came to see Swaraj when colonial restrictions on business would no longer exist and trade and industry would flourish without constraints, so option A is correct. The leader of military guerrilla movement in the Gudan Hills was Elluri Sitaram Raju, so option C is correct. Who organized the Dalits into the Depressed Classes Association? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, so option D is correct. Which one of the following agreements gave reserved seats to the depressed classes in provincial and central legislative councils? Pune Pact, so option C is correct. Which of the following combination of colors was there in the Swaraj flag designed by Gandhiji in 1921? Red, green and white, so option A is correct. The folklore of southern India was written by Natesa Sastri, so option D is correct. This is all, my dear students. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Count your scores now and write me in the comment section below. In this channel, besides lessons, you will also get practice MCQs and one short revision. After this round of T20 MCQ series is over, I will come with the competency based MCQs, which will be higher order questions where the difficulty level will be high. So please subscribe to the channel and stay connected. Thank you. Jai Hind.